Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locking in the essentials. Open your transfer filters and hunt players age 23 or younger with potential over 75. Do this now so you get targets, not noise. Once done, assign 3 regional scouts and enable priority scans to speed discovery. This raises hit rate because scouts focus where talent pools are dense. Make sure to set a value cap to avoid early overpaying, and toggle Scout XP boosts so prospects are uncovered faster. You now build a funnel. Shortlist a dozen prospects per window and rank them by need and personality fit. Try short trials. They reveal attitude and match adaptability. This is why you trial before committing. Once a player passes a trial, lock a pre-contract or a loan-to-buy with a sell-on clause to reduce upfront cost. Meanwhile, validate key hidden stats from Scout reports so you're buying what the report promises. This reduces bust risk and preserves budget. You finish by structuring deals to be affordable. Stagger wages, add performance bonuses, and include appearance incentives to keep fees down. Clubs accept these because they lower immediate outlay. Once signed, fast-track youth with targeted training and guaranteed playtime so you convert potential into usable ability. If a deal stalls, act quickly. Refresh Scout reports to find negotiation leverage, drop the fee by 10 to 20%, or propose a player swap.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.